Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change Apple ID payment method on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up settings. Then right here, tap at your name at the very top to open up your Apple ID, and then just tap where it says payment and shipping. As you can see, I got PayPal as my payment method, and on that screen you can easily add or remove payment methods. So if you want to change it, you can remove the existing one. You can just hit on edit, then hit at minus sign and hit at remove, and after that you can hit right there where it says add payment method to add new one. First off, select the payment method. It can be credit or debit card, it can be PayPal, and in some regions it can be Apple Card. So once you have selected the method, just put in here all that stuff. If it's credit card, just enter its number and all this data, and don't forget to hit add done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.